Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another video. I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious okra stew. These are the ingredients I'll be using. My meat is boiling already in the pot, and I went ahead to prep all my ingredients, my okra, spinach, sliced my chopped onion and my pepper. I'm going to be using tinned tomatoes for this recipe. I add in some vegetable oil, add my chopped onion, stir and fry till it's sauteed. Added in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and stir. I added in my grounded chili pepper and stir, and my meat stock and stir well to combine. I added in salt, Knor seasoning powder, and my blended okra and stir. So when I cook my okra, I like to blend some and slice the remaining into different shapes. And I added the remaining okra after 3 minutes, and I stir to combine. And I went ahead to add my boiled goat meat and my cow tripe. And I added in my spinach. Whatever green veggies is available to you, you can go ahead to use. I use spinach for mine, and I stir to combine. And my okra stew is ready. This okra stew is a quick and easy okra soup to make. You know that day when you're lazy and just want to make something really quick? This is the recipe. This okra stew was so delicious. The seasoning is so simple, and I enjoyed every bit of it. You should go ahead to try it out. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, to support me and encourage me to make more videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, keep winning and living your best life.